Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make pancakes. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Don't forget 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 large egg, 1 cup of milk, and 2 tablespoons of melted butter. Having everything at room temperature helps create a smoother batter. Now, let's mix our batter for fluffy pancakes. In a large bowl, whisk together your dry ingredients, the flour, sugar, baking powder, and salt. In a separate bowl, gently whisk the milk, egg, and melted butter. Then, pour the wet mixture into the dry ingredients. Stir until just combined. A few lumps are perfectly fine and actually preferred for tender pancakes. Time to cook those delicious pancakes. Heat your griddle or non-stick pan over medium heat, adding a little oil or butter. Pour about 1/4 cup of batter for each pancake. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes on the first side, waiting until you see bubbles forming on the surface and the edges look set. Then, flip and cook for another 2 minutes. Your perfect pancakes are ready. Serve them warm with your favorite toppings, whether that's maple syrup, fresh berries, or a dollop of whipped cream. For an even fluffier texture, try letting your batter rest for about 10 minutes before you start cooking. And hey, if you're looking for ways to improve your financial well-being, check out the description below for a link to a fantastic book and other exclusive deals. Enjoy your breakfast.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.